What the hell is that sound?
I don't want any problems, okay? People, I'm afraid, you know.
They want to try to gang me. Nah, like me, they kind of shook a while ago still. People. We just done film two, was it two? I think it's three, because it's two food business and then one, I mean, they have a drink already do from a longer time, so I just release that after the first food thing and then release another food thing, then release the next drink after that. But I just done film that. I'm on the road I used to walk when I was younger. I want to go for a little drive out, you know. Look at the difference a hat makes. Old ass Kevin, young boy Kevin. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. That's a ball made, because you don't know me. Yeah. All right. Easy with the joke them, This never used to there, so you know, that gate there. I wonder if them a plan to turn it into like one of them community, the gated community. I want to take a little drive out in the one direction where they always want to go. So in a sense, this is kind of like I've always wanted to. So I'm going to go see how far it takes us. I don't have a lot of gas. As usual, we're living dangerously.
Oh, we still a go.
If I'm not mistaken, is it? If I wonder what in my mouth, a chicken grizzle. I don't know. I'm not one of them people that will love chew chicken grizzle. It's just something fun to have in my mouth. Pause. The community that I used to live in, where my house was very close to. What the hell is that sound? Anyways, this road, if I walk the road here, it will lead me back to it. But I'm not going to do that today. If you're a country youth, you know, say, oh, is that one peed of that or ball plate? And if you were ever curious about how them like a spiny wannabe, call them, I don't know how to call them, these wannabe bitter aloes, how them come out, that's where they start. So when that blossom and them thing there turn into flowers, turn into them there. There are some small ones up there and them eventually fall off. If you look on the ground there, so them fall off and then grow into them's there, then eventually get big like that, then sprout flowers again. And the cycle of life for them is continuous and endless. See them there, so? If you look very closely, see them sitting there? Sharp, you know. It can be used for, what you call it? To needle and thread. If you need to sew something, you break it and you pull it out and the fiber come out with it. And you can sew with it. Just in case we go back to primal days. If you have clothes, because we don't know if clothes are there back them time. So if clothes there, you can use it for that purpose. I will drive a little bit more and see what else I can see. I feel like I'm soon turn around. Because I do believe I have somewhere to be today. Skibbity doo, dippity dee da. But I see them sitting there when I showed a while ago. This is what they look like up close. Now these seem to be like the more, what you call it? These are the more horticultural. So them when I honestly say them you know the pretty version, this for them grow if you put on lawn and them something. If you look on it, huh? All elegant. It's rather beautiful. Look at them. So I saw them stay right to that little place. I thought this was interesting, that's why I stopped. Them have the little palm tree and them something. But these are the more tame version to when we did a show a while ago. Still we stab you. I don't want any problems, okay? So just let me get back to my vehicle. I don't want any problems. None at all. This is for my safety and yours. People, I'm afraid, you know. Because if you rush me, you know, it's my fault. Go and turn up all over vex. You don't want a red car. Jesus Christ. And they say cow no like red. And me have a big old red sitting here upon my shirt. No, I go on my business, man. Everything good, man. I left it no bad boy. We don't have a problem, yeah? Yeah, we don't want no issues. Blood, they want to try to gang me. They want to try to gang me, people. A gang, they want to try to gang me. A gang! A gang war! You might call your friend them. Nah, run, go no name shit. One of them rush me a straight beef patty. Nah, like me, the kind of shook a while ago still. But me a bad boy, me box don't go flat ground. I saw me stand from day one, you see me? It mad them way there, you see me dog? If a man feel like me afraid of a cow dog, a man if he doesn't know so me don't afraid of a cow, you see me?
I don't want any problems, okay? People, I'm afraid, you know.
See that little structure here and I thought it was interesting. I said, what is that? What purpose does it really serve? No idea. Look like a watch house of some sort. But what is it watching? Watch how me approach and thing in the car. Then sitting here usually have a wasp. Think I want like a toilet of sorts. And just as I predicted, see them there? Ready to give me a Botox. So even though we don't know where it be, it's just a little shed. Feel like I want to watch house where somebody sit down and watch from, you see me? But nothing really there so for watch except the cow them. Or they were watching the Alpart road there. Maybe I that. I go come left still because it seems to be house of Botox. And I don't really want to get no Botox right now. So I just take for myself. I just thought it looked interesting. Yeah. Gando. Tops. I know Tops. It's the Ital Jamaican herbal teas. So this was a factory. This was where the Tops factory was, or maybe one of them, or some distributions, or something of the sort. Tops. I know Tops, man. Probably still in a supermarket. But it look like there's some mash up like storm, tear up the roof and them thing there. So you know, it's no longer in operation. I don't like the sound. So more than likely that is a money issue. Yeah, it's a money issue, that's all. Yeah, I call it as a feed. Can't deal with that sound there with it. I feel like more than likely I break this pad rub down to nothing. As I say, yeah, you know sound, you know hear, but you can't. It's a money issue. So I spin back home, you know. You want to explore a little further, no lie. But then the sky is kind of overcast and everything, and thing just gloomy. So I call it this. We shall continue this mission another time. We stopped here at Asia with it. Okay, that explains why so much Chinese the way place, man. Asia with them, man. I have all these Asians. Anyway, I don't know, man. Hopefully there's enough material in here to keep you guys entertained. Hit the like button and drop a comment, you know. This is of the algorithm. Subscribe. I'm kind of tired. I'm out tight. So in time I'm out tight, I have to just, yeah, I'm calling out. Look more. And if me never need more reason for turn back. To blow our skin.